Here I come!
Of course, this is Senator Barack Obama. I'm sorry, who'd you say you were?
Donald Trump.
Hello? Hey, hello, can you hear me? Yeah, wow, I can't believe this actually works. This is literally like just added to Minecraft. We can actually speak using our real voices. Isn't this like really cool? It's easy. Just hold control on your keyboard and start talking into your mic. I'm not even surprised, honestly. This new Minecraft update is awesome. Why didn't they add this earlier? It's so much easier to play like this. Oh, jeez, when was the last time I took a shower? Oh, gosh, let me hold on. Whoa. Take one of those now. Now I just gotta turn on the water. Alright, there we go. God, ow! Ow! Jeez, why is my water so hot? How can water be hot enough to start a fire? How does that make sense? Why is the water on fire? Do I put it out with more water? Here, let's just turn that down a little bit. Okay. Oh, jeez, that's better. Oh, this is nice. Finally gives me some time alone to sing. It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Partying, partying, yay! Partying, partying, yay!
Yo, I love this update. I love being able to talk to other players in Minecraft. Exploding TNT's MC Origins Minecraft server. 800 players online currently. This is gonna be amazing! There's so many players on his server. I'm going to make so many new friends. Wait, why can't I hear anything? Oh, my volume was off. Let me just turn that up a little bit.
Help here! Stop!
What's happening? I can't do it myself. Yo, there's way too many people on
It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Partying, partying, yay! Partying, partying, yay! Fun, 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 fun. Looking forward.